Make a memory with these winter heirloom globes for your friends and family. They're sure to become keepsakes that will be cherished year after year. Here's what you'll need. A clear plastic globe with an inner platform and screw-on base. Aleene's clear gel tacky glue, winter greenery, glitter, holiday stickers, a styrofoam ball, toothpicks, cotton balls, and mini pom-poms, and of course your favorite photos. To get started, print copies of your favorite photos, cut the figures out, and set them aside. Then cut the styrofoam ball in half to use as the base of your winter scene and cut the greenery into single stems. Now apply an even coat of Aleene's clear gel tacky glue to the styrofoam ball and adhere it to the inner platform. When it's dry, use a toothpick to create holes for the stems of the greenery. Apply glue to the ends of the stems and place into the holes to adhere. Continue gluing greenery to the styrofoam until it completely covers the base. It's fun to create a whimsical winter scene for your photo. You can add a little sparkle by gluing glitter onto the berries and on the greenery. This will add a little extra magic to the winter wonderland. Create the feeling of snowballs by gluing mini pom-poms onto the greenery. The more the merrier. Now make a blanket of snow around the base by flattening a cotton ball and gluing it around the bottom of the greenery. Next, apply Aleene's clear gel tacky glue to the bottom of the photo and place it into the center of the greenery. Then glue a holiday sticker beside the photo. While the glue is drying, pour the remaining mini pom-poms into the globe to resemble snow. You can even add glitter if you like. To assemble, place the decorated inner platform into the globe by carefully squeezing the greenery together. Push it into the globe, then screw the base to the bottom of the globe to seal it. Now you have a picture-perfect winter treasure filled with memories that will last for years to come.